Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cancel return requests on eBay. So we have two perspectives here. If you're a buyer, to cancel a return you initiated, all you have to do is just head over to your purchase history, and from there just find the item you requested a return for. Then next is just click on view return details, and on the return details page, just click on cancel this return if, of course, it's still eligible to be canceled. And if the seller has already approved the return or you've shipped the item, you may not be able to cancel. And just a reminder that you may need to message the seller directly if the cancel button isn't available. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!